Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to study NCERT biology line by line. Begin by reading one paragraph slowly and underline key terms, then paraphrase each sentence aloud and link concepts to the diagram beside it. Pause to visualize processes and write one clear summary sentence after every subsection. Use margin notes for questions and highlight only truly essential phrases to avoid clutter and maintain focus. Read aloud and interrogate the text with why and how questions after every paragraph to deepen understanding. Turn difficult sentences into flashcards for spaced recall and quiz yourself periodically. Recreate diagrams by hand without looking, and then correct mistakes using the book, which strengthens retention. Teach a friend one small concept to test clarity and reveal gaps that need focused review. If this video helps you, please subscribe and like to support more clear guides. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading NCERT chapters anywhere, with glare-free pages and long battery life that makes late-night study sessions painless. It stores all your textbooks and keeps highlights organized, which is handy for line-by-line review. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Set short daily reviews and mix reading with active self-testing to cement information in long-term memory. Use 3-sentence chapter summaries to capture core ideas and revisit them before sleeping. Prioritize weak topics and cycle them more often while reducing review frequency for mastered sections. Keep study sessions focused and brief to avoid fatigue, and reward progress with small breaks to maintain motivation and consistency.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.